Even fancier. That kind of looks kind of high. So we'll watch. It's flaring. Uh-oh. I think we might have our first go-around of the day. We'll see. Nope, it's sticking with it. It says we're getting down there. Back to Hawaii. Sandra, good morning, good day. That's awesome, you're an A&P student. Excellent, we need them. We need them in aviation. A321neo doesn't even make a noise. We'll see how Lone Star 1 taking off. Yeah. Now. From Minneapolis, Benjamin says. All right. This is the Canon XA70 we're using, Veta. Nice touchdown there. Soft. Well done. I am staying hydrated, Sandra. I was in the best space, but here we go. Dreamliner! Nice, firm touchdown. What's up, network? Thanks so much for tuning in. Our first 787 of the day. We actually have another one on the way. KLM is sending it. Quick Burn says KLM is passing over the Wasatch Range east of Salt Lake City. Thank you for that update. I think it's aiming for the threshold. No, just beyond it. Roger that. Thank you, Quick Burn. The 757 does the Oakland run, last to go at night, first to arrive in the morning. Let's keep those arrivals moving. We got, I think, like 3 in a row. Another one, another 2. So that'll be the A321neo from American. Uh-oh. 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 Centers it up. Oh! Nice Nicely done. Was starting to fade to the left side, but came back to the right. Nice job. Yeah, the 757 is still here. Quick burn. I think we are thinking it's the Miami Marlins. And then the Slovakian A3. Yeah, if you counter buffering, just refresh the page, or audio issues, just refresh the page. If I had more time, I would definitely go to the Padres game. Hey, Robert Brunn, how are ya? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. Where's Barbara Sterling, the prop whisperer? Michael V. Andre with a $5 super chat says, looking good. Thank you so much, Michael, for your contribution. And a happy Tuesday. I hope you had a great Memorial Day. It's basically almost all of I-8. Basically almost all of I-8 quick burn from about San Diego to where it ends on I-10. It's true. I usually stop in Yuma, T-Spry. I'll fill up there for gas. I might stop in El Centro, maybe, depending on how much gas I have left. Oh, you call KLM the Dolphin. Got it, Sandra. Yeah, I tell you what, quick burn, that's definitely nice that they put that interstate in. Even though there's not a whole lot, it definitely helps with the travel to San Diego. And the old 300, the flying Frankfurter. Where's Kevin Stanhope? He's missing out on the flying footlong. Quick burn. Ah, I gotcha. Lena says, I love the flying pencils. Excellent. I'm glad to hear that. I do too. Every time I see one, I get a little excited. Good choice. Old Smoky. Burn. That's right. Sandra says Lone Star 1 should help the livery's Yelp rating. Oh, Wake Vortices in the house. Nice correction there. American 1939 is next on an A321 from DFW. And then it is KLM 639 rock question. Don is ready for KLM. Oh my goodness, Lord Andrew, thank you so much for that $20 super chat. Thank you, Lord Andrew, for that contribution. Very generous of you, as always.
Good manners are the glue of society.
So thank you, Lord Andrew, for that $20 super chat via PayPal. Kind. Yeah, baby. That's right, your hometown airline and flight from Amsterdam, Donna. The Smiley Dolphin. All right, good to see KLM for the first time. First time I've had a chance to see them. They started flying May 8th here to San Diego. Brian S. says 10-hour and 20-minute flight.